Dear user, we're glad to welcome you to the Shipox family. Shipox is one of the leading delivery management services that alleviates hardships associated with transportation of goods and ensures safe arrival of goods to the end destination. The step-to-step instruction will guide you through the process of order creation, tracking, and management using the Shipox software system. Shipox is integrated with 12 tabs, namely orders, order sorting, service types, areas, finance orders, courier companies, drivers, warehouses, customers, users, settings dashboard, and plans. Now I will provide you with a brief description of each one. Orders tab is used for order creation, order status update, order tracking, and order management. It helps to supervise and control the entire process of shipment, from order creation to its drop-off at a warehouse, to dispatch and delivery to the final destination. Service types tab is used for the establishment of price policy and/or price regulations for delivery and an indication of start and end delivery points. It helps to set and maintain cost-effective delivery fees for different tasks. Areas tab is used for visual guidance of areas covered by courier partners and to enhance the understanding of geofence. Finance orders tab is used for tracking the status of COD, also known as cash on delivery. Courier companies tab is used for addition and management of courier companies. Drivers tab is used for the addition and management of drivers who work for partnering courier companies and their assignment to specific tasks. It helps to effectively allocate and dispatch orders, i.e. based on a sender, warehouse, or recipient location, to drivers that operate in different areas. Additionally, the tab may be used to supervise and assess a driver's performance and take measures if necessary. Customers tab is used for the addition of customers to the service and tracking the remaining cash limit of already existing clients. Users tab is used for listing admins who control and manage the entire process of delivery, starting from order creation to its delivery to end destination, and order return if applicable, and navigate and help customers in placing and tracking the orders if necessary. Settings dashboard. This tab lists a set of settings and enables admins to customize certain features. And lastly, plans and billings. Plans and billings introduces subscription plans available for purchase.